Hey, what's up? It's Ryan from Farmlands, and you're here for another immersive Farmlands test. Today we are doing Bosli-po 4S battery cells. These things have hit the market quite recently, and I don't know if you've watched any of the previous videos, but the battery wrap on here is not the same battery wrap as the ones that went to market. So I'm gonna put here, let's just pop it up right here so you can see what they're actually going to look like. But this is the test for that battery right here, right now. So Bosli-po, what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into this special rig here that I have going. We're going to do amperage pulling, and we're going to see voltage drop while we try to simulate, I don't know, cruising and throttle punching on this bench rig here. So let me move this second battery out of the way. These are nice and fully charged and brand new. These have never been run before. This is their first test. So let's plug this in. Oh yeah. 4S 1550. 150C is the claim on these batteries. I'm not actually going to be able to know that until I fly it, I think. But anyway, let's get into our Speedybee app like always, because we control this whole thing with Speedybee. And I'll record that so I can pop an overlay up on the screen. So let's get into Speedybee here. Connect. Move that out of the way. Down to our motors tab. And click that there. All right, let's kind of give this a preliminary quick test here. All right, everybody's reacting here. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to use the slider here to kind of mimic flying a quad. It's not going to be exactly like flying a quad, but it will give us a really good indicator of what throttle punches are going to be like and what the voltage sag will be like. So let's give her a go. I don't know what happened there. It disconnected and reconnected. I do not know. I've never seen that happen before. Have we got anything bad? Oh, nothing warm there. Nothing wrong with that. Little bit of warmth on the ESC. No warm motors. Everything's fairly normal. Let's try again, I guess. I'll disconnect. Connect. It did say Bluetooth connection lost. I'm not sure why it said that, so we're going to try again. Just getting back into here. Okay. Something blew. I was watching the screen, and I'm going to imagine, I'm not sure where it blew. We're going to find out soon, though. There's no power coming in here. So let's find out what happened. Where did we pop it? Where did we pop it? Probably coming... let's see. No, that's not even warm. That's not warm enough. You guys are probably laughing at me because you saw what happened. Oh. Maybe it was the flight controller? I'm confused. What happens if I plug this back in? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man. Well now. We have just... Oh boy. I'm not sure what this test concludes. Yikes, that thing just totally got smoked. I wonder what happened there. Does it have anything to do with that? No. Oh, it got so hot. Something got so hot it melted the solder over on the wire there. That ain't good. Well, hold on, let's fix that. Gonna have to fix that. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is not poor soldering on my end. I'm pretty sure I have video footage I can refer to find out about that. What is going on here? That was intense. We just smoked an HGLRC. She's tuned. This motor is done. Like dinner done. Those guys are okay. That don't even spin right. Why does that happen? Like the heat must mess up the bearing or something. That's the only thing I can guess. This thing is toast. Whew. Power in the Bosli-po. Well guys. Hopefully the ESC is okay. I'm not so concerned about the motor, but that wasn't great. That wasn't great. My goodness, not even cool. Let's just pull that off of there. I'll clean that pad up. My goodness, whoa. Okay, well, just for the record here, let's pop the LiPo back on. These motors are fine. This one just got cooked. No power to the flight controller.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.